Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe. So I am here to teach you the SST lecture number 2 means part 2 of chapter 14 plants around us. So in first videos I told you that about the plants and I have given the answer which is asked in page number 17. So just take a short look at what we have learned in the first class. So there are many plants and trees around us. When we will go outside and we will find that there are many plants, there are different types of plants and trees around us. We see plants and trees, we see always the plants and trees in garden, in park and along the sides of the roads. So these all are the 4 pictures and I have given the answer also to you. And I told that you have to complete this homework once at home after finishing the online class. So you have to use the green color in tall plant, and you have to use the yellow color in small plant, and you have to use the brown color which is climbing and which is taking the support of taking the support of some things like the sticks or wall. So on that plant you have to use the brown color. So with the help of these 3 colors you have to fill and you have to color that all plants, 4 plants. And please remember it again, I am just telling you, don't use the sketch color, please use the crayons and pencil colors. Now just go through the next lines that and then in this, because in this lecture also I will give you the exercise 1 and 2 number. Then after the class will over, you can write down the new words and then exercise in your fair copy. So let's start. I am reading, so please read with me page number 70. There are many different kinds of plants that are found around us. So when we will go outside and we will see the plants, then we can see that there are different kinds of plants is found around us. Like some are small, some are big, and some are tall. So these all is what? It's a different kinds of plants which are found around us. So we will see the different types of plants also in this chapter. Tall and strong plants are called trees. So those that plants are tall and strong, that plants are called trees. That plants we can call what? Trees. So just keep in mind, if anyone asks that what is tree, then answer is what? Tall and strong plants. Tall and strong plants are called trees. Tall and strong plants are called trees. Most trees live for many years. Most trees is what? They live for many years. Some common trees found in India. So some are the common trees which is found in India. The first is banyan, second is neem, third is mango, 4 is coconut, 5 is gulmohar, and etc. So these all is what? These all plants are tall and strong. So these all are called trees, and it is common that we can find here in India. And banyan, you can see the picture of banyan trees, then mango trees, ashoka trees, coconut, gulmohar. These all is what? These all are trees, and it is tall and strong. Next is page number 71. Shrubs are small plants with woody stem. Means the stem is what? It's wood-like structure. So that plant is called shrubs. That plant is called shrubs. So cotton, hibiscus and rose plants are the example of shrubs. So what is shrubs? Then the answer is what? Shrubs are small plants with woody stems. Shrubs are small plants. It's what? It's a small plants with woody stems. You can see the picture, hibiscus and rose. His wood is what? His stem is what? It's like a wood, thin wood. So those the plants who are small and with woody stems, that are called shrubs. Like example, cotton, rose plants and hibiscus are the example of shrubs. Next is herbs. Herbs are small plants with soft stems. Means their stem is what? It's soft and we can eat also sometimes. and it is used to eat. So the herbs is, what is herbs? Then herbs are small plants with soft stems. But shrubs is what? Shrubs are also small plants, but his stems is what? It's woody stems. But herbs is what? Herbs is same things like small plants, but stem is what? Stem is soft. So here soft and woody is only difference, but otherwise all the same. So herb is what? Herb are small plants with soft stems. Spinach, grass, coriander and mustard plant are the example of herbs. So spinach, coriander and grass, these all is what? It's the example of herbs and they have soft stems. Next is climbers. Climber are small plants that have very weak stems. So climber is, what is climber? So climber is what? Climber are very small plants. It's a small plants, but their stem is what? It's very weak. Is they can't stand by own, they need a support so they can stand straight. So climber is what? It's a small plant and they have what? They have weak stems. They cannot stand straight. So the climber plants is what? They cannot stand straight and need support to stay up, and they need the support like a wall and like a stick to stand straight. Grapevines, morning glory and bluebell are the example of climbers. So these all are the example of climbers which needs, in fact the money plant also, it also needs the support of wall and the sticks, then they can stand straight because their weak stem is very weak, that's why they can't stand straight, so they need the support to stand straight. Next is creepers. Creepers are small plants with weak stems. Creeper is also what? It's a small plants and his stem is also weak, that grow along the ground. And the creeper plant is what? It always grow along the grounds like the pumpkin and watermelons. These are the example of creepers. Next is plant need water, air and sunlight to grow. So if we are growing the plants, then plants need what? Water, air and sunlight to grow. So they are useful to us in many ways. So if they all got these all things, then the plants is what? It becomes very useful to us. Plants help to keep the air clean and gives us vegetables and fruits. Plants is what? They can they can help that the air become clean and it gives us vegetables also and fruits also. We use the wood from the trees to make furniture. So we can use the wood also that we are taking from the plants to make the furniture. So plant is what? It gives us lots of things. Plants and trees are also used to make medicines. It's true, because like neem plant, tulsi plant, these all the plants is what? It is used to make the medicines. So paper and cloth are made from plants. In fact the paper, whatever we are reading, the copies and these all the cloths, this all is made from the plants. So we should look after plants well and we should take care of plants, don't spoil the plants. So just go through the new words and exercise. New words is only 5, like trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers, that you can write down from your books. It is already in your book. I'm just going to explain you the exercise. 1 number. Choose the correct words to fill in the blanks. So A number, trees are dash and strong plants. Then trees are tall. The answer is tall. No need to explain the words and no need to tell the words because it is written in your example, in your options there. So it is written in your options. Trees live for dash years. Then answer is many years. C number. The rose plant is shrubs or herbs. Then answer is shrubs. The coriander plant is an example of tree or herb. Then answer is herb. Climbers need dash to stay up. Then climbers need support to stay up. Take the correct answer. Which of these are tall and strong plants? Neem, peepal, gulmohar and all of these. Then the answer is all of these. What are cotton and rose plants? So cotton and rose plants are called shrubs, and it is the example of shrubs. Then second option is correct. Which of these are called herbs? Spanish, cotton, hibiscus and all of these. Then the answer is Spanish. First is called the herbs. Which of these has a weak stem and needs support to grow? Crepe plant, Spanish plant, cotton plant and Ashoka. Then the answer is crepe plant. E number, which of these two plants need to grow? Air, water, sunlight and all of these. Then the answer is all of these, because the plants for need to grow these all things is very important. So exercise 1 and 2 I have given you, and I have told you the answer. These new words and exercise you can complete it in your fair copy. Answer I will upload in the website. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.